All it takes is you thinking of an idea, creating that idea, write it down on paper, coming up with a solution. How is this going to be a solution to people? What's going to make you set yourself different from others? Hey you guys, I'm back with another video. And this video is going to be about business. Yes, so I have 5 opinions of my own about starting a business in 2023. I know that's on a lot of people's minds, it's on a lot of people's vision boards to start a business, to bring extra incomes, and these are my unpopular opinions about starting it. And I have 5 of them for you. So if you want to know all 5, because I think it's going to be good, watch to the end. I think y'all will love it. So let me just stop talking and let's go ahead and get this thing started. Okay. All right, my first unpopular opinion about starting a business in 2023. Do you know how many people are in the world? Stop thinking everything is saturated. The more you think, oh, I can't do this business, or oh, I can't start this business because everything is saturated, the moment you stop thinking that, the more you'll start generating money, and you'll start seeing that you can get a coin too. There's no such thing as, oh my God, things are saturated. Let me tell you, I stay in Metro Atlanta, and this is the capital. Atlanta is the capital of hairstylists, eyelash tech, makeup artists, some of everything in the beauty industry. When it comes to Atlanta, everybody is a boss. Everybody own a business. Everybody do something. Let me tell you, it's never saturated, boo. Never saturated. My second unpopular opinion about starting a business in 2023. I know this may pick up some feathers, but you don't always need inventory to start a business. You don't always need inventory to start a business. Sis, get them samples, take pictures, model those samples, get people to wear it, take a few pictures, upload it on social media, market it, see what's selling, what's not. You don't want to sit on money. You want to know what's selling. You want to know what's selling. You want to know what the customers like. You want to know what the customers going to buy. So, again, you don't always have to start a business with inventory. Depending on the type of business you want, you don't always have to start on inventory. You can start with samples and put it online, see what they like, see what they buy. You get a vendor from overseas, you set it up on your online store, and when they put orders in, you go ahead and put the order with the vendors. But that's a whole nother video, a whole nother time. It's a lot of breakdown, but just have note, you don't always need inventory to start a business. Number 3, it don't take a lot of money to start a business. I started my business back in 2022, and I literally started my business under $800. I tweeted somewhere about me how much I spent, and I had to break down. I'll put it somewhere right here on the screen showing like the tweet, but I literally broke down how much I spent when I first started my business. And this goes back to you don't need inventory. You can go off just samples. All it takes is you thinking of an idea, creating that idea, write it down on paper, coming up with a solution. How is this going to be a solution to people? What's going to make you set yourself different from others? Number four, stop waiting until everything is perfect to start or launch your business. Whoo, child, do I have a story to tell. So my business that I started, Her Wealth Collection, was not my first business. And let me tell you, this is coming from a person who wanted to make sure everything was perfect before I launched my business, before I started my business. and did I learn? So my very first online store I started was a lash/makeup store. I started because I did makeup in the past. I was a freelance makeup artist, and I launched my own lash line and makeup brush line. And I spent buku money. I spent so much money. Like, I spent $1,500 on a website alone. I purchased between 500 to 800 lashes. Y'all, I spent so much money, and all I end up spending over $5,000 when I first launched my first business. And do you want to know how much I made? Do you want to know how long it took me to actually get a sale? A long time, because I waited, because I wanted everything perfect, because I wanted to spend all this money and not even plan well. Stop waiting until your business is perfect to launch. Stop waiting until your business is perfect to launch. Launch that business. Like I said before, set a plan. Make sure it's all down. You really want to focus on marketing. You really want to focus on your target audience. You really want to focus on that. Yes, focus on the product. Make sure the product is good. That's what the samples are for. That's what the samples are for. But when I tell you, you do not want to be like me, spending all this money and literally not making any sales at all. And that's what happens. Don't wait until it's perfect. Launch it, sis, because it's never going to be perfect. You're going to always want to revamp, rechange some stuff, update some stuff. So never wait until it's perfect. It's never going to be perfect, okay? All right. And last but not least, number 5, enjoy the journey. Y'all, you have to enjoy the journey. When I tell you, as a person who's an entrepreneur herself, everything I went through in my journey of starting my second business, I enjoy every bit of it, and I wouldn't take any of it back. Now, the hardships I went through and the lessons learned, I went through it for a reason, to share with you guys so you guys won't make the same mistakes I made. Your time is coming. But when I tell you, enjoying every step, documenting every step, and for me to be able to look back in my past and see how far I've come to now is so amazing to me. You get what I'm saying? I can document it. I'm not rushing the process. I'm taking my time. I will be going on my 3rd year in business, and I've had ups and I've had downs, and I feel like that is what's part of being in business for. But when I tell you, I enjoy it, I love it. I love all the lessons I've learned. I'm able to teach my family to start a business. I'm able to teach my friends to start a business. I'm able to help so many people take it all in and say, wow, I'm breaking a generational curse. Wow, I really have a business, really establishing I'm the first business owner of my family. Those moments right there really inside will like make you give you that drive more to want to do better, to be better. But again, enjoy your journey. Take your time. So that's it. That's all I have right now. But if you would like a part 2 and want to know more of my unpopular opinions about starting a business in 2023, leave a comment below. You know, if you're struggling with anything in your business, leave a comment below. I don't mind answering. I don't mind giving advice or tips, or somebody else might give you tips along the way. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share with your family and friends, because this might help someone along the way. And I just want to let y'all know that I am rooting for y'all. I'm rooting for everyone in 2023. We're about to get this money. We're about to get this paper. We're about to be in love. We're about to just have fun. We're about to be happy. Everything under the sun, everything you want is coming into fruition, baby. You hear me? All right.